Hi everyone, in this video from the Creating a Mobile Landing Page series, we'll look at the Content tab of the mobile page editor. This area is called the Stage, and it's where you'll actually build your mobile landing page. It's divided into a header, body, and footer section to help organize the content on your page. The building blocks of your mobile landing page are called content objects, and they're represented by these green buttons. You can add any number and any combination of content objects to create the page you want. To start, I'll add a page title by clicking the button and then double-clicking to open it. A page title is a main heading or title that appears at the top of your mobile landing page. After I've entered it, I'll save, and now it's shown on the stage in near true display, or an approximation of what it will look like. I can also preview, and in the preview window, I can see what it will look like on somebody's mobile device. Now I'll move to the body section and add one of each of these content objects, which we'll look at individually, starting with the featured image. The featured image fills the width of the mobile page. On a page about an artist, for example, you might use it to show one of their works of art. It can be helpful to use an image to give the viewer context and also let them know they're in the right place. To add an image, click the Add Image icon, and then the Image Manager opens. Any previously uploaded images will be here. You can also upload a new one. To add one, click the image, and then save. The next content object is called a collapsible block. This object and the next one we'll look at, the open block, are the two workhorse content objects that you'll use to add the majority of content to your mobile pages. It's called a collapsible block because it can be expanded and contracted. That helps manage the length of your mobile page, which is an important consideration due to the small size of most mobile device screens. In this body section, you have a formatting menu which allows you to format text. You can insert an image. You can use this quick codes menu to insert a YouTube video. And if you're comfortable with HTML, you can switch from this What You See Is What You Get editor to the HTML editor and work in there. Save that, and now we'll look at the open block. As you can see, this is very similar to the collapsible block. The difference here is that the open block is always fully visible on the page. So you might use this instead if your page isn't very long or you have information that you want to make sure every visitor sees. Again, you have the same formatting menu where you can format text, add images, insert the YouTube video, or switch to the HTML editor. Now I'll move to the footer section and add a footer content object. This is a simplified version of the open block content object. You have just a few options for formatting text. You can add links, and then you can also switch over to the HTML editor if you prefer. Finally, I'll add a contact bar. You may have noticed this is also available in the header section. The contact bar creates a row of buttons on someone's mobile page that they can tap to initiate contact with you, either a call, email, or a text. And you simply need to select the type of button you want to add and supply the phone number or email address. You also have the option of specifying custom text for the button. If you don't, it will just say call. And with email, if you don't specify button text, it will just say email. Now that we've added all those other content objects, I'll preview the page again. And you can see that page title that we looked at earlier, the featured image, the collapsible block, which can expand, and then contract the open block, which is fully visible, the contact bar with the button someone can tap to call or email, and finally the page footer.